Ever wondered what happens to your body when you drink beet juice? It's a question that might have crossed your mind as you've perused the health food aisle or scrolled through wellness blogs. In our daily quest for improved health, it's easy to overlook the humble beet. But today, we're going to embark on an intriguing journey exploring the transformative power of beet juice. So, are you ready to unlock the mysteries of this vibrant elixir? Let's dive into the world of beet juice and its incredible benefits for your body. Beet juice, a vibrant, earthy beverage, is more than just a colorful drink. It's a natural elixir with roots that trace back to ancient times. Originating from the humble beetroot, this drink has been utilized across civilizations, from Romans using it for medicinal purposes to modern athletes leveraging its performance-enhancing properties. Beet juice, with its unique combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, doesn't just quench your thirst, it can also be a potent contributor to your wellness journey. This unassuming red beverage has quietly been gaining recognition in health and fitness circles, sparking curiosity and interest among those who are always on the hunt for nature's next big thing. It's not just its deep crimson hue that makes it stand out, but also the myriad of potential health benefits it offers. But what makes beet juice so special, you ask? Let's uncover the mystery. Beet juice is a powerhouse of nutrients, and here's why. The first thing that makes beet juice a nutritional dynamo is its high content of essential nutrients. This vibrant red elixir is packed full of vitamins and minerals including vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and iron. Each of these plays a critical role in maintaining good health. Vitamin C, for instance, is a potent antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance and nerve signals, while magnesium is important for bone health and energy production. Iron, on the other hand, is essential for the transportation of oxygen in our bodies. But the benefits of beet juice don't stop with its nutritional content. It's also been linked to lower blood pressure levels. Studies have shown that the naturally occurring nitrates in beets can be converted into nitric oxide in our bodies. This nitric oxide has a relaxing effect on blood vessels, leading to lower blood pressure. So if you're looking to give your heart health a boost, beet juice might just be your new best friend. And let's not forget about the digestive benefits of beet juice. It's high in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion by adding bulk to our stools and promoting regular bowel movements. Plus, the betaine in beet juice can help support a healthy gut by reducing inflammation and protecting against harmful bacteria. But these are just some of the benefits of beet juice. It's also believed to help with detoxification, boost stamina, and even improve skin health. And while more research is needed to fully understand these effects, the existing evidence is indeed promising. In short, beet juice is a nutritional powerhouse that offers a wide range of health benefits. From its nutrient-dense profile to its potential heart and digestive health benefits, it's no wonder this vibrant juice is gaining popularity among health enthusiasts. And that's just the beginning of what this potent juice can do. Continuing our journey through the benefits of beet juice, let's delve into some more reasons why this beverage is so revered in the health community. In the realm of sports and fitness, beet juice has been hailed as a natural performance enhancer. Studies have shown that the high nitrate content in beet juice can improve blood flow, reduce the amount of oxygen muscles need to perform, and ultimately boost athletic performance. Imagine being able to run faster, lift heavier, or cycle longer, all thanks to a natural, delicious drink. That's the power of beet juice. But the benefits don't stop at performance enhancement. Beet juice has also shown promise in helping with inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injuries or illness, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to serious health issues. Enter beet juice with its rich content of betalains, potent antioxidants with anti-inflammatory properties. These betalains can help reduce inflammation and support your body's natural healing processes. Speaking of antioxidants, beet juice is practically brimming with them. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect your cells from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. The antioxidant content of beet juice, including vitamin C, betalains, and other phytonutrients, can help fend off these free radicals, supporting overall health and well-being. In addition to all these, beet juice is also a good source of potassium, a mineral known for its heart health benefits. Potassium can help lower blood pressure by balancing out the negative effects of sodium and easing tension in your blood vessels. So whether you're an athlete looking to naturally enhance your performance, someone dealing with inflammation, or just a health-conscious individual looking to boost your antioxidant intake, beet juice could be just what you need. With all these benefits, it's no wonder beet juice is a favorite among health enthusiasts. So, we've taken a journey through the world of beet juice and its many benefits. Let's take a moment to recap the key points we've discussed. We began with the unveiling of beet juice, this ruby red elixir that is not only pleasing to the eye but also packed with a powerhouse of nutrients. We've discovered its rich source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, iron, and magnesium, that can contribute to a well-balanced, nutrient-dense diet. We then delved into the power list, exploring the myriad of health benefits that beet juice offers. We learned how this vibrant drink can help lower blood pressure due to its high nitrate content. It's also been shown to improve exercise performance, making it an excellent choice for fitness enthusiasts. And let's not forget how beet juice can aid in detoxification, supporting our body's natural cleansing processes. But the benefits don't stop there. We've also seen how beet juice can support brain health, thanks to its ability to increase blood flow to the brain. Plus, it can even boost your digestion, thanks to its high fiber content. All these health benefits make beet juice a worthwhile addition to any diet. It's a simple, natural way to boost your health and well-being. And that, my friends, is the power of beet juice. Next time you're looking for a health boost, why not reach for a glass of this vibrant drink?